Hello everyone. This video is for grade 11, day 12, chapter 2. Topic is relation and function. In this video, basically we are going to solve few questions based on Cartesian product. So let's start one by one. The first question is, if A is a set of subset of B and C is a subset of D, then prove that A cross C is a subset of B cross D. So let us assume that there are two elements which are A and C that belongs to A cross C. If that belongs to A cross C, then it is very clear that the first element belongs to A and the second element belongs to C. Also, it is given in the question that A is a subset of B and C is a subset of D. So if I see equation 1 and 2, then I can correlate and I can write that A is a subset of B, because A belongs to B. Why? Because A belongs to A and A is a subset of B. Therefore, I can say that A belongs to B also. And since C belongs to C and C is a subset of D, I can say C belongs to D. So from here, I can say that A comma C belongs to B cross D, right? Therefore, I can say that A cross C, A comma C belongs to A cross C, A comma C belongs to B cross D. Therefore, I can say that A cross C is a subset of B cross D. The next question is, if there is a set A with elements 1, 2, 3 and set B with element 3 and 4 and another set with element 4, 5, 6, I have to find A cross B union C, second A cross B intersection C, and third is A cross B intersection B cross C. All the three questions I'll be solving one by one. First of all, I'll find B union C. We know that union means a set of all the elements present in both the set without any repetition. So the set of elements of B are 3 and 4 and C are 4, 5, 6. So union will be the list of all the elements present in both the set. So it will be 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have to find A cross B union C. So the value of A is this and the value of B union C is this. Now since I'm finding A cross B union C, therefore all the first element of the given of A cross B union C will be the element of A, and this A will be paired up one by one with all the elements of B union C. So first of all, 1 is going to pair up with 3, so it will give 1, 3. Then 1 with 4, it will give 1, 4. Then 1 with 5, 1, 5. 1 with 6, 1, 6. Now the chapter of 1 is over. Next element we have 2. Then 2, 3, written the same. 2, 4, written the same. 2, 5. Then 2, 6, written. The next chapter of 2 is also over. Now the third is 3, 3. 3, 4, 3, 5 and 3, 6. So likewise I have written here. So these are all the set of elements for A cross B union C. Let's talk about the next, which is A cross B intersection C. Now what is the value of B intersection C? The value of B intersection C is 4, because 4 is the only element which are present in both set B and C. So as I am finding A cross B intersection C, so definitely the first element is going to be the element of set A. So 1, 4, as it has only one element, so chapter of 1 is over. Now 2, 4 and then 3, 4. So likewise I'll write. The third is A cross B intersection B cross C. First of all, I have to find A cross B. At place of A I have written set A, at place of B I have written set B. Now one by one, all the elements of set A will pair up with the elements of set B. So 1, 3 written, 1, 4 written, chapter 1 is over. 2, 3 written, 2, 4 written, over. 3, 3 written, 3, 4 written. Similarly, B cross C is, first of all I'll write set B, then set C. Now all the elements of set B will pair up with all the elements of set C first, and then likewise. So first of all 3 will pair up with 4, so 3, 4, then again this 3 with 5, 3, 5, then this 3 with 6. So as you can see that all the first element of the given set are the element of set B. And similarly for set C, first of all this 4 again will pair up with this 4. So 4 4, 4 5 and 4 6. So these are the list of elements. Now what is there anything common in between all the elements present in this set and this set? Well, I think I can find a common one, which is my 3 4 present here and 3 4 present here. Rest all the elements are different, so the intersection is 3 4. So this I'll write. Another question you can see over here is that if A cross B equals to 3 2 3 4 5 2 5 4, find A and B. Now the cross product is here, the Cartesian product of the given set are given, of A and B are given, and I have to find the value of set A and B. Now we know that set A means set of all the first coordinates of the element of A cross B. So set of all the first coordinates of element of set A cross B are your set A are 3 and 5, because as you can see that first elements are 3 3, repetition we don't allow, so I'll count only one time 3 and 5. Apart from that, is there any number as the first coordinate? No, I don't think so. So the elements will be 3 and 5. Similarly for set B is a set of all the second coordinates of the element of A cross B, because B is coming after A, that's why all the second coordinates of element of A cross B is your B. So second coordinates 2 is here, 4 is here, 2 is here, 4 is here, so definitely it will be 2 4. So this is how we find. Now apart from that, let's solve more question. This is my question number 4, that is, if R be the set of all the real numbers, what does R cross R represents? So R cross R, there let X and Y are the variables such that X, Y belongs to R. So it represents the set of all the coordinates point in two-dimensional space. So if there will be one more R, then R cross R will represent what? That question I have given later on. So I think that will represent, that you can answer, that it represents the set of all the coordinates present in three-dimensional space. Here there are only X and Y, that means set of all the coordinates of the points in two-dimensional space. Moving ahead. Here there is a question that if A cross A has 9 elements, 2 of which are -1 0 and 0 1, find the set of A and the remaining elements of A cross A. Now as you can see that here the set is repeating itself, right? The set itself is repeating itself. If there is another set, suppose set A cross B, then I must have followed that the first element, the first coordinate going to give you all the elements of set A. But as the set A itself repeating, so whatever the elements I have, all are the elements of, whatever the coordinates here I have, all are the elements of set A. So what number you have? -1 you have, 0 have, or 1 you have. So it is very clear from the given elements that -1 0 and 0 are the elements of set A, right? Now I have to find the rest remaining elements also. So let the set A is this, I'll find A cross A. That means this one is going to pair up with this one, then with 0 and this one, then this 0 is going to pair up with this -1 0 1, and again this one is going to pair up with this -1 0 and 1. So this is how I have written. So apart from -1 and 0, if you leave -1 and 0, -1 and 0 and 0 1, rest all are the remaining elements of set A. Now let's talk about the ordered triplet, which I was saying, that for any non-empty set A, we define A cross A, which means the A is being repeated thrice, as the ordered triplet, such as, suppose A, B, C are 3 variables, such that A, B, C all belongs to set A. For example, here if A equals to 1 2, I have to find A cross A. That means 1 2 1 2 1 2. That means first of all this 1 will pair up with this one and this one. At a time we have to take 3 coordinates, x, y, z, 3 coordinates, right? So this 1, 1, 1 that I have written, and again this 1, 1, this one already done, so I will work with this 2. So 1, 1, 2. So this also I have written. Now this 2 already I have used, but this 2 I haven't used yet. So 1. So I will write all the possible all the possibilities with the numbers. Then this one with 2 and this one. Now again this 1, 2 and 2. So now this 1, 2, 1, 2 all have been used with this one, right? So now the chapter of 1 is over. As you can see that I have written all the 4 triplets. After that this 2 will work with this 1 and 1. So 2, 1, 1. This one is over. Now again 2, 1, this 2. Now this 1, 2 chapter is over. So 2, 1, 2 I have done. Again this 2 will work with this 2 and then this 1. So 2, 2, 1, and at last this 2 with 2 and 2. So I have used all the possible pair over here and written it in the form of triplet, right? So this is how we write it. And also n of A is 2. So n of A cross A cross A going to be how much? How many elements it's going to have? That is 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8 elements. Count the number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So definitely whatever our answer is right, it has 8 elements. Let's solve one more question, which I just now I have explained you that if R is a set of all the real numbers, what does this RRR represents? So definitely this RR represents set of all the coordinates of points in 3-dimensional space. So this is what I have written here, 3-dimensional space. The last question for today's video, that express xy equals to x squared plus y squared equals to 25, where xy belongs to W, that is the whole number, as a set of ordered pair. Now in this question, whenever you get a question like that in the form of equation, try all the possible pair which satisfy the given equation. For example, here I have considered x equals to 0 and y equals to 5. Then definitely x squared plus y squared is equals to how much? 25. For 3x equals to 3, 4, it's also going to satisfy the equation. Another pair, I have just reversed the order pair, that is x equals to 4 and y equals to 3. So the answer is this. And here also, if I considered x equals to 5 and y equals to 0, the answer again I'm going to 25. So these are the 4 possible pairs. So the given set will be with 0, 5, because x is 0, y is 5, then x is 3, 4, 4, 3 and 5, 0. So this is what I have written over here. So these are the possible sets for which the given equation is true. Based on today's video, I have given few questions that you need to practice. Here are the questions, as you can see that. So I have provided the answer also. So you need to match your answer. And in case if you have any doubt, you can write your views in the comment box. You can ask doubt. I will definitely revert back to you. Apart from that, if you have any suggestion, please drop your suggestion in the comment box, and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet to get the latest update regarding the channel. Thank you and take care.